4 corner columns to be 300 by 300 RC column, and this is going to be 450 by 300 on the edges, all those in between. The center part is going to take more weight. Okay, it will be 450 by 450. Okay, is everybody with me? We're going to start. 10. Okay. We're going to start to edit the columns first. Column, structural column. And you can choose those standard size from here, which is by default. The template file has already included. But sometimes, unfortunately, the concrete column do not have the size we wish to have. For example, there is no 300 by 300 size, so we can choose one for the time being and edit. Right? When you do the editing, don't just change it. You can duplicate to keep the original there intact. So I just duplicate the new column, and this column, the name I'm going to have it is 300 by 300. Okay, click on OK, and don't forget to change the actual dimension also. That is automatically added to you. You can delete that too. It's a duplication. You will add a 2. Actually, it doesn't mean square. All right. Once after applying it, now I'm in the process of adding it. But do not go too far. For the time being, what we are adding, the length of the column is 2500. And what we can do is that we change it here. And also there is a bounding, whether it is going upwards or downwards. There are few ways of manipulating that. You can change it now, or you can draw it and modify it later. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to draw it out for the time being. Don't care about whether the one is correct or not. I draw it out, snap to the intersection of the grid line here. This is done. Then I press Escape key twice in a sense that I finish it. When I finish this drawing, I can select this column that I entered just now. Then now I look at the property window, I can see, I can change certain things. The column has got a base and a top. Top is at 0, which is ground level. Base is minus 250, which is going down. This is not right. So I can change the top as 3500 because our story height is 3.5 meter. And I can change this base offset as 0. After this, my column is in the correct position now. Okay? And then if I continue to add the column, this setting will follow. The next column, structure column, I'm going to add. Actually, I can do it and modify it altogether. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Wait. So I will add all the 4. Add all the 4 corners with the column. And then I'm going to check. This is, I need to change this 3500 and this one change to 0. So that tells us,
Sure.
yeah,
What's the difference between top offset and base offset?
top offset is the top of the column you are drawing.